Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Messing around with this pressure washer. The other day I had it running and it was going along fine, and then the unloader stuck, so I got a little Torx bit and was loosening it up, take a little pressure off of it, and all of a sudden the motor died and it went it's locked up. Motor's not locked up, pump's not locked up, but when it slammed tight, something happened here. See how? Maybe you can see. Let me get the camera around here, guys. Sorry about making you dizzy. See how the head is tight? You come over here and we got a gap, and it's blowing water out there, like spraying water out there. So I gonna let me get some tools and let's pull the head off this thing and see what the carnage looks like. Alright, hang on. I got nowhere to put you, so let me just get the head off. Alright folks, we got the head off of it. This is what it looks like. I haven't done anything. I just took the bolts out, laid the head down. But it blew this seal out right here. And it looks to me like it's been leaking for a while. Maybe not. I don't know. No, I guess not. It's purchased all the way around. Okay. And then the pump itself, it's exactly what it looked like when I pulled it out. See there, the seal pulled, and it blew it out the side there. And then these seals, that one's been that way for a while because it's all tweaked, and that one is shredded. Can't see it. That one's shredded. So I'm not sure she's fixable or not, guys. I don't know. And I don't know why it would have locked up like it did. I did start it again just to see if it was going to, basically, and it ran. The motor runs fine, and the pump seems to be low pressure now. Like, I'm not sure why. But anyway, I thought I'd bring you along and show you before I'm probably not gonna mess with this pump too much. I don't think. Anyway, that's the adventure. I don't think she's worth a rebuild kit, because the rebuild kits usually cost more than a pump, and this isn't a really high quality unit. It's a premium XL. It's not bad, but it's definitely not huge quality. So I mean, I can get for what I use it for, I can get a pump for like between 70 and 100 bucks. So, and I know a rebuild kit for this is going to cost that. So anywho, that's probably going to be the way it goes. If I decide to fix it, I'll bring you back. Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, I changed my mind on that pressure washer out there. Let's show you. We fixed it. All we had to do was replace a couple of O-rings that you saw that were all shredded, and I put that seal back in that head. Show you, it works good. Go for it. Go ahead. All right. Lit up. The unloader works again. I put some spray on that. Go ahead. It works. All right, lit up. It's got a little Honda motor on it, and that's the pressure washer right there. XL 2400. It's an EX-H2425. It's not a high quality, but I don't have to buy a pump. Yahoo! Well, you put it right back on there, same way I took it off, and all it was is $2.10 worth of O-rings. So that's a thumbs up. Good fix-it video, guys. I know you didn't see much, but I got nowhere to put you. I'm handheld right here. So there you go. You saw where the O-ring's shredded, and the one in the seal around the head, I just put it back in there where it came out. It works. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.